Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic windshield molding. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a new molding kit, and a clean cloth. Park your Civic on a level surface to ensure safety and stability throughout the repair. Before you begin, thoroughly clean the entire windshield area, especially around the edges, to remove any dirt or debris. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth installation and a secure fit for the new molding. Now, let's remove the old molding. Using a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry up the existing molding from the windshield edge. Start at one corner and work your way around the entire perimeter, taking care not to scratch the paint or glass. Once the molding is off, inspect the frame for any leftover adhesive or broken clips. Clean these areas thoroughly to prepare for the new molding, ensuring a smooth and clean surface. With the old molding removed and the surface clean, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new windshield molding with the edge of the glass, making sure it sits correctly. Begin pressing the molding firmly into place, working from one end to the other. Listen for the clips to snap into position, indicating a secure fit. Double-check that the entire molding is flush against the windshield and the vehicle body, with no gaps. After installation, perform a final inspection of the new molding. Look closely for any gaps, lifted sections, or areas that don't appear flush with the windshield or body. Gently press along the entire length to ensure everything is securely seated. Also, test your windshield wipers to confirm they move freely and don't catch on the new molding. For more great deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Your Civic's windshield is now ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.